Array formulas are extremely powerful and useful tools that allow us to perform multiple calculations across a range of cells. They're called array formulas because they work with arrays of data, which refers to sets of data spanning multiple columns and/or rows. Let's say you have a range of numbers in cells A1 to A5, and in cells B1 to B5, you want to multiply each number by 2. Normally, you would have to write a formula for each cell as shown. However, with an array formula, you can perform the same calculation on the entire range of cells all at once. To convert this into an array formula, you would go to the first cell where you want the array formula to calculate. In this case, cell B1. Type in the formula you want to use, but do not press enter yet. So we would type equals A1 times 2. Expand the column or row by converting the cell reference into a cell range. In this case, we want to use column A as our range. Using the formula above, this can be done by changing equals A1 times 2 to read equals A1 to A times 2. Alternatively, if you wanted the array formula to stop at cell B5, you can update the formula to read equals A1 to A5 times 2. Now press Command-Shift-Return on Mac or Control-Shift-Enter on Windows. The formula will now begin with array formula and surround the entire formula with parentheses. Upon pressing Enter or Return, the formula will now calculate for every cell in the relevant column or row. The resulting formula will now read equals array formula A1 to A5 times 2. Just to note, if you use the formula equals A1 to A times 2 in cell B1, you would not be able to have anything in any other cell in column B, as it will interrupt the formula. If you were to type in any cells covered by the array formula, the formula would display an error code as the result. However, if you use the formula equals A1 to A5 times 2, you just need to keep cells B2 to B5 empty and will be able to use cell B6 onwards without interrupting the formula.